Success, only about 30 seconds later. Door pin is off, the actuator unit is out. That took quite a bit of work to get out. So it might also be easier to get the door pin off earlier, I don't know, maybe. The door pin was on until the very end when I took it out, and then I was able to feed it out. And we're gonna have to transfer it to the new unit. But it's definitely out. Now, scratched the paint on the door guide just a little bit. It looks okay though. I mean, it's not going to affect the window side. The window's on the other side. So what I'm going to do now is, for whatever reason, this door actuator is really goopy. So I'm going to take some cloth and clean all this up so I don't have to deal with this anymore. And then we'll take the new one and feed the new one in. And like I said, we'll need to get the door pin in. We'll need to get the exterior lock in and the interior hook as well. And we'll walk through all of that. But the hard part, I think, is done, which is the good news. So some of these things are going to be easier to show right now than once they're in the door. So I'll repeat them when we get there. But so here's the interior door pull. And you see it's got a little grommet with a tab on it. When the actuator is in the door, you'll loop this hook. You'll loop this around onto the hook, and then you'll set this white grommet in, and it pops into place like that. So you can see how that all fits into place right now, all nice and neatly. And it would be really hard to show once it's in the door.